Introducing the 2024 Lamborghini URUS S, a captivating alternative to the standard URUS models. With enhanced power, exterior design refinements, and an array of customization options, this version caters to those seeking peak sports performance. In this Arab GT article, we delve into the details of this latest offering from the renowned Italian manufacturer, renowned for its iconic high-performance supercars, adorned with the unmistakable Raging Bull emblem. Exterior. The vehicle's dimensions are as follows. It has a standard length of 5,112 mm, 201.25 inches, while the carbon version stretches slightly to 5,137 mm, 202.24 inches. Excluding the mirrors, its width measures 2,018 mm, 79.44 inches, and including the mirrors, it extends to 2,181 mm, 85.87 inches. In terms of height, it stands at 1,638 mm, 64.48 inches. The wheelbase, which is the distance between the front and rear axles, spans 3,003 mm, 118.22 inches. These dimensions collectively contribute to the overall size and proportions of the vehicle. The 2024 Lamborghini URUS S received a series of exterior enhancements, expanding its color palette and exterior decor choices through special packages aimed at elevating its elegance or accentuating its sporty character. Notable changes include the front bumper featuring more precise lines, a standard matte black front grille, and a carbon fiber engine hood with black ventilation openings for weight reduction. Additionally, the rear bumper has undergone a redesign. The 2024 model offers a diverse range of metal wheel options in various sizes, spanning from 21 to 23 inches, each available in distinct colors and designs. 2024 Lamborghini URUS S Interior. The car's interior offers an extensive range of color choices and interior configurations, including dual-tone options, premium black leather upholstery, and distinctive Lamborghini embroidery. The interior design seamlessly melds opulent Italian craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. Drawing inspiration from air navigation principles and driver-centric tool concepts, it features a trio of membrane screens. These slim transistors serve distinct purposes. One for instrumentation, one for infotainment, and another for convenience functions, which incorporates a virtual keyboard feature. In the 2024 Lamborghini URUS S, you can stay connected using features like GPS navigation, security tools, and control services inside the car. You can even use your smartphone to do things like parking the car remotely through the Lamborghini Unica app. You can also control these functions with a smartwatch, which can even act like a virtual key for your car. Powertrain. The 2024 Lamborghini URUS S is powered by a twin-turbo V8 engine that delivers an impressive 666 horsepower, resulting in a notable weight-to-power ratio of 3.3 kilograms horsepower. This power increase significantly enhances acceleration, enabling the car to go from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.5 seconds, and reach 0 to 200 km per hour in a swift 12.5 seconds, achieving a remarkable top speed of 305 km per hour. Additionally, the twin-turbo engine generates an impressive 850 Nm of torque. This powerful engine is seamlessly paired with a four-wheel drive system that incorporates a limited-slip central differential and asymmetric dynamic torque distribution, employing a torsion-type mechanism to further enhance the vehicle's performance capabilities.